Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to buy Momo in Mobox. Mobox is a gamified ecosystem where players can earn rewards by owning and using Momo NFTs. Momos are special NFT character used for the mining unbox tokens, playing games and trading on the marketplace. And there are two main ways to get a Momo: buy a Momo directly from the Mobox NFT marketplace and open a mystery box to receive a random Momo. And buying directly from the marketplace is the easiest method because you can choose the exact Momo you want instead of relying on the luck. So first, what you can do is open any of the web browser that you prefer, and in the top there's an address bar. Type down mobox.io and enter it. And before buying a Momo, you need a crypto wallet connected to your Binance Smart Chain. Common wallet used with the Mobox is the MetaMask Trust Wallet or Binance Web3. In the top right corner we can find to this wallet icon here. You can select any of the box wallet. Make sure to log into your wallet here, and also make sure you have some crypto tokens, usually BNB, BUSD or Mbox in your wallet to pay for the Momo and gas fee. And over here on the left hand side we can find to this Momo farmer here. Select to this Momo farmer, and once you reach into this interface on the left hand side we can find to this home mystery box My Momo. Select to this My Momo here. Over here, once you get into this interface of your Momo, select to this Buy Momo here. And over here we can find to this marketplace. What you can do is simply open one of this Momo that you want to buy. Simply select to this purchase here and select confirm to purchase for the 149 USDT. So over here simply connect to a wallet, select confirm, and that is it. And when a Momo is purchased, it's hash power, it's automatically added to your account, so you can start earning rewards without staking manually. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you, and if you have any queries or confusion, please comment down and we will reach out to you very soon.